In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to screen record on your iPhone. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. To begin, you're going to go to your settings and scroll down on your settings until you reach Control Center. Click it and you will see options for included controls and more controls. As you can see, I already have screen recording in my controls, but I can click minus and remove it. Now, if you want to add screen recording and it's down here, you're just going to click the add symbol and it'll show up on your included controls. Now, as you can see, if you want to be able to record your screen, you're going to have to swipe down on your screen and the option will be the button that looks like mine is flashing right now. Yours will not be flashing, but you can click it to start the recording. And you will know your screen is recording by seeing the red recording button at the top. If you want to stop your recording, you can click it and click stop. But since I'm showing you in this tutorial, I'm not going to stop it quite yet. The final thing you need to know about screen recording on your iPhone is that you can also include your microphone while you're recording it. Now, to do so, you're going to need to go onto your control center and hold the recording button and you'll get the option to turn your microphone on. Now, as you can see, my microphone is off, but you can turn it on. But that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.